Okay, so guys, this is my LLM video editor tool, which is essentially just used to edit videos. For example, I can go and select this video, and then I can just tell it to do the task that I need to perform on the video. For example, trim the video and remove the first 1 minute. And like this is LLM powered. So basically it has AI which can understand your instructions. So for example, here I mentioned to trim the video and remove the first minute. It is in natural language. You can have any prompt which you want. For example, you can tell it my favorite part starts after 1 minute, so please remove all the part which is not my favorite. You get me, right? You can get a very complex, and you can give basically whatever prompt you want in natural language, and it's going to generate accordingly. Now here, this was the original. As you can see, it's 3 minutes 26 seconds long, and this is the as you can see, it's only 2 minutes 26 seconds long. So it indeed did follow our request and remove the first minute. Now this is just a basic example. You can do much more. For example, you can compress the video by, let's say, decrease the frame rate. I can actually do that, but that actually look bad. So let's just decrease the bit rate. So as I was saying, the LLM understands natural language. For example, I used a little bit of technical term bitrate. You could have used something else, like just compress the video, decrease the size of the video. You could have told something very simple without knowing the technical know-how to the LLM in natural English language, and it would understand what you actually want, and it even gives an explanation. For example, gave an explanation that input file and stuff, and it executes the command accordingly. So as you can see, executed successfully. Now this is the compressed one. As you can see, it has compressed to 15 MB from like 19 MB. So not a lot, but you could have specified exactly how much you want to compress it and stuff. So like that's the basic theme behind it. You can do much more. For example, increase the contrast and make the video black and white. So yeah, this is just a demo, right? So I'm only giving you specific examples that that I'm only showing you specific examples, but I want to tell you that it's not limited to these examples. There is a lot more that you can do with it based on your own imagination. You can tell it to do any kinds of edit that you want. So for example, here here I told it to like add contrast and stuff. You could have told it in any other way. Okay, file saved, execution successful. So as you can see, it has done two things actually. It has increased the contrast and make it back as it. It has worked and done all of what we wanted. Now let's just tell it to reverse the video and audio. So as I told you, this is just examples. You can tell it to do whatever, but there is a slight limitation, which is that the LLM which is powering this system cannot actually see the video. So it can only perform on the video, but it cannot see the video itself. So you're going to have to be the eyes of the LLM, right? You're going to have to tell it exactly what it needs to do. For example, if you want to trim the video, you can't just say trim the video so that, and it's not really that difficult to tell the LLM. I'm just telling you as a guideline. You can you can't just say trim the video to the part from where a specific thing happened. For example, a person walks in a red t-shirt. You can't just tell that to the LLM because the LLM can't view the video itself. It doesn't know when the person walks in. So you'll have to watch the video at least once and just like note down the time and then tell it to remove the part before that time, right? So you're going to have to give specific instructions. But the good thing is that this anyone can do. The good thing about this is that you don't need to know the technical background of how to edit videos and how to perform these actions. You can just tell it in natural language, and it even explains the what it's doing, so it's super helpful. As you can see, successful. Now where is that? Reversed this one. Yeah, we told it to reverse, right? Yeah, reverse the video. So as you can see, it was able to successfully reverse the video. You can do a lot with this AI video editor, and it's available for free and open source on my GitHub. So yeah, have fun editing videos. I just made it because I wasn't satisfied with my own video editors. So yeah, thank you, and feel free to add any suggestions in the comments if you want. Bye bye.